Hello my dear X-Force users, in this video, I show you how you can use XML Vehicles. First we go to GTAV-mods.com. Then go to Vehicles, click on the filter menu, and select Menu. Download a vehicle that you like. Then extract the .xml file from the zip, RAR, 7-zip, or whatever folder. Now go to C:\x-folder/lua and paste the .xml file there. Start the injector and load into a session. Now open the menu with F8, asterisk on the numpad, or FN plus F8 if you have a 60% keyboard. Go to Spawner, Vehicles, type. Press the like arrow key once to get to init/XML. And now I wish you lots of fun with your XML Vehicles. See you next time. Your Top G.